Once upon a time in the bustling streets of Victorian London, there was a young and witty detective named Enola Holmes. She was not your ordinary detective. Enola was clever, quick-witted, and had an uncanny knack for solving mysteries that even the greatest of detectives, including her brother Sherlock, found perplexing. On a particularly rainy day, Enola received a mysterious letter. It was sealed with wax and carried the emblem of a soaring falcon. The letter was from a group of matchmakers who owned the newly established matches factory on the outskirts of the city. They sought Enola's assistance to unravel a series of strange and unexplainable happenings within their factory. Eager as ever to embark on an intriguing case, Enola donned her detective hat and overcoat, ready to get to the bottom of this mystery. As she approached the matches factory, Enola couldn't help but notice the thick puffs of smoke billowing from its tall chimneys, and the air was filled with a peculiar scent of sulfur. Inside the factory, Enola was greeted by Mr. Pepperidge, the owner. He was a jolly old man with twinkling eyes and a voice that echoed with warmth. "Miss Holmes," he began, "strange things have been happening here. Matches have been lighting by themselves, and whispers fill the air when no one else is around. It's scaring my workers, and it's holding up production." Enola raised an eyebrow, intrigued. "Interesting," she mused. "May I investigate the premises?" Mr. Pepperidge nodded eagerly, leading her through the busy aisles of the factory where workers diligently dipped sticks into vats of phosphorus. As Enola observed, she noticed something peculiar at the assembly line. Some of the matchboxes were marked with tiny, barely noticeable symbols that looked oddly like runes. Enola took a few of these boxes for further examination. The more she explored, the more Enola realized that the answer wasn't in the present, but rooted in the past. The factory was built on the grounds of an ancient society called the Flamekeepers, who were believed to wield power over fire. Enola surmised that their secrets must have somehow seeped into the factory's workings. But who was harnessing this power now? Enola's mind raced until she discovered a hidden passage behind a large portrait in Mr. Pepperidge's office. The passage led her to a dimly lit room filled with ancient scrolls and artifacts. Reading through the scrolls, Enola found references to an incantation that awakened the Flamekeepers' legacy. It turned out to be the doing of Mr. Pepperidge's mischievous son, Oliver, who had stumbled upon the secret chamber by accident. Oliver confessed that he only meant to replicate the magic for fun, not realizing the chaos it would unleash on the workers and the factory. With a swift yet gentle rebuke, Enola guided him to reverse the incantations, restoring peace and order to the matches factory. Mr. Pepperidge was grateful beyond words. "You truly have a gift, Miss Holmes. This factory can continue to light up the world, thanks to you," he said with a broad smile.